Alright, hey guys, this hole specifically is going to be one of those holes that starts coming in really important with that barchetta, because once you can start to put that barchetta up on this green, you're going to be able to drive this green. We're just going to lay up here, and I'm just going to go for the pitch. I'm not too worried about my length. As long as I'm in play, I'm not too worried about scoring when I'm only using Mojaves. What else I'm going to do is just going to barely try to get down this hill. The goal for me is to just get it to the bottom of this last hill. So I'm trying to bring it down as slow as possible. And the reason to do that is because when I do this, I have a longer pitch. The longer you keep this pitch, the more backspin you can generate on this tight pin location. And since I drew tailwind, it's going to be almost impossible to stop. So the more that I do keep this up this hill, the longer the club is, the easier the shot is. This is going to be downright nasty. There's almost nothing I can do to stop this ball. I'm going to have to almost land here, which I really don't want to do either. I'd rather land up here on the high ground, because you can see when I land here, I run into another problem. So I'm going to have to land up here and bring it in too hot. That's pretty much my only option. I got the worst wind that I could have drew. Now, I'll typically be in the 55-60 range for this, so 8-9 rings, somewhere in there. So let's go about 9. I'm going to try bet 9, but like I said, I expect this to come in too hot. There's nothing I can do about it. I needed a better wind than this, or I needed a higher wind reduction ball. Those were really my only two options. And just a little bit light on the ring adjustment. I needed to be light. I couldn't be heavy, so that's why I was, doing 55. Because I didn't want to go up there, 60, 65%. If I would have been up here, 11, 12 rings, what if I land off the green? It wasn't worth the risk to me. So that's the reason that I played it that way, because I didn't want to land on that front slope and not be on the green. So it was a safer play. But this is where rehearsal can come in handy, because next time I play it, I can do it a little bit different. So keep that in mind. Good luck, and I'll see you guys on the next one.